The iron ship's from here. The Templar running things is Rupert Ferris and our target 1. Target 2 is Sir David Brewster, who's got his hands on a bauble that could ruin us in this wretched war. Think you both can handle it?
What a question.
All right. My mistake. Ladies and gentlemen, the unstoppable Fry twins. See them nightly at Covent Garden.
George, honestly, I've studied the plans of the laboratory and have every route covered.
And I've got all I need right here. I'll extend your regards to Ferris.
Chat later, George. We've a train to catch.
Jacob! Evie! May the creed guide you, you vagrants!
Poor man. More afraid than ever. Years have not been kind.
Evie Fry, where do you get it from?
The same place as you, Jacob.
Have fun.
Don't die.
How long does he intend to go on like this? He's disrupting the other workers. Shut his trap. Get the machine fixed. And send me some laudanum for my head.
Coming right up. Locked.
What do you think you're doing?
Stop them! What is trouble?
No one goes in or out unless there's a problem.
I hold the machines. That door opens, and I have my route to Ferris.
That looks like a gas I should stay clear on.
Always work on the fly.
Looks like trouble.
What's all this? Which one of you is responsible? This is rather a funny situation.
The sanitary inspector. This man is dead.
You're the dead man!
Run along home. I'll teach you how to beg for mercy. Any last words?
me.
I know you'll do what you want.
Gentlemen, calm your concerns. That you are being mistreated.
Ferris, coming.
These are natural troubles that affect the lives of all men.
Time to head for higher ground.
All this chaos.